Well, I thought it was the pins that were frozen, but it has a pretty smooth pin. So's that one. Caliper's bad, probably. That's all I can think. It's out quite a ways because it wore the brake pads down to nothing. There's nothing left of these brake pads. So, I got a bad caliper. Yeah, you gotta love it. Snowing. I'm out here in a cold driveway. Yep, look at that. Yep, jack stand and jack, folks. Got it all set. You know it. And then, of course, I got the tire underneath there. So, that's the caliper. And that is the brake shoes. 500 miles. These were full new pads, folks. This caliper just burned them up. But there's no grooving on this rotor at all. So I'm going to do a pad slap on her. Oh yeah, you guys know it. I might take an abrasive wheel on there and sort of just scour it up a little bit on each side, but it doesn't feel warped or anything. So I might have dodged that. Anyway, this is what it is. It's snowing right now, and it's going to get dark in about another 30-40 minutes. I'm not going to start working on this. I'll come back tomorrow. I got it secured, so we're all set. Yeah, to secure, you just secure it. There you go, all secured. Anyway, y'all have a great day. Yep, got a stuck caliper. Burned up a set of brake pads, so I went and got these silent guards from Napa. SG8488X. Says that they're OE match, quiet friction formula. I don't know. We'll see how they last. They do come with the hardware. It's all black. It's not all that shiny chrome stuff. And then, hey, they put a blue stripe on the pads themselves. They don't have any wear on them, but they're better than the old ones that I had on there. And then I have the Adaptive 1 caliper. It used to be called the Eclipse, and I guess Napa decided to redo it. So we have the semi-loaded coated brake caliper. It does have premium coating inside and out for maximum corrosion resistance and all application hardware pre-installed for easy installation. Every caliper pressure tested for optimum performance. And yeah, caliper mounting bracket, cable, bracket, levers, and springs, where applicable, must be returned in this box to receive full core. Get a 50% credit issued for missing mounting bracket, cable bracket, levers, and springs, and no credit for cores with excessive corrosion, broken, bent, or worn castings or missing pistons. So, I got to take the bracket off because this bad boy comes with everything. That's right, let's check it out. It comes with the bracket. It comes preloaded with the springs all ready to go. That's right, moves nice and easy. Comes with the pins. That's right. Comes with the cross washers as you need, and then the cap on there. Everything's ready to go. We just got to take everything off and put the new one on, but it is all nice and black. It will definitely not match the other side, but hey, we just got to put the hardware on, and it does come with clips too, just like the brakes do. So if you wanted to know how much it costs, gosh, how much did it cost me with the pads? $219.26 for everything that went with that. So that's what it's going to cost. Plus I get like $75 back when I take the other one back. So I'm going to say that overall, I'm going to go ahead and put this on here. The part number is 2725XB. Semi-loaded caliper is for the driver's side rear. And that being said, it used to be called the Eclipse. Now they call it Adaptive 1. That was 6 months ago, I think. I bought the, or a year ago, I bought the Eclipse. So they've changed the name. The guy said they did, and now they call it Adaptive 1. But since that one locked up, we're going to put this one on and hope it's nothing further. I have no brake lights on it or anything, so we can assume that the caliper itself has failed, and that's why I'm replacing it along with some brake shoes. I got the other shoes for the other side, but the other side is practically new, so yeah, just had a big fault on this one. Definitely locked up, so that's where I'm at. Remember, like, subscribe, join, and all that good stuff. My feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day. Want you to have a great day, too. And Mercy Girl's got a couple one-liners for you, and Band of One always has something to play. Let's go check out the car and see what we're doing.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.